Work it. All right. Who's on your pajamas? Wow.
I'm doing happy feet.
You're doing happy feet. That's right.
Bunkin, that's quite the show.
Show mama.
Turn around and show me. I want to see your face.
Do Stevie for mama.
Wow, that's a very excited Stevie.
I'm doing a fast TV.
You are doing a fast Stevie. You're crazy.
That's good stuff.
What's going to come on next?
The way you make me feel. Oh, Annie, are you okay? Like this. Happy feet. Happy feet.
There you go. Work it out.
Buddy, you are going to be a tap dancer. Those are the happiest feet I've ever seen.
I can't get far enough away to get your whole body.
Preston, those are some happy feet, buddy. Wow. Honey, are you getting those feet? They're moving so fast you can hardly see.
I am, but it's so dark in here. Can you turn on the dining room light, man? Eddie, are you okay? Ah, that helps. Well, there you go.
You're doing a James Brown. Do it, Preston. Do it, Preston. Do it. Do it, Preston.
I'm making the camera move. I'm laughing so hard.
Yes, sir. Preston, you are getting it, buddy. You are getting it. He's feeling it. He's feeling it, honey.
Honey, I've never seen that.
Get it. Get it.
The camera's moving. I can't stop laughing. Work it, buddy.
There they go. There they go.
Yeah, stomp it out.
Break it down.
Okay, Annie. Nice pause for effect there, buddy. SpongeBob can get down.
Go ahead, buddy. Yeah. Hey, he's feeling it. I don't know what's got it. Whatever it is.
That's that good brown rice. He's almost 3. Hard to believe, little man.
All right, Preston, do the Michael Jackson one more time. Michael Jackson.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Nice work.